Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use eToro to buy, sell, and even short sell stocks, ETFs, crypto, and more. I'll walk you through the whole process in simple steps so you can start trading confidently. First, you'll need to open and verify your eToro account. Just register online, fill in your personal details, and complete the verification process. You'll be asked to upload a photo ID and proof of address. Verification is required for security reasons and to unlock full trading access. Once your account is approved, you'll be able to access the main dashboard and explore the markets. Next, deposit funds into your account. eToro supports deposits in different currencies depending on your region. And you can use methods like bank transfer, debit card, or e-wallets. Keep in mind that many trades, especially short selling, are done using CFDs, so currency conversion might apply depending on your deposit currency. It's always good to check the fees before depositing a large amount. Once your account is funded, go to the search bar at the top of the platform and type the name of the asset you want to trade. It could be a stock like Tesla, an ETF, a cryptocurrency, or even a commodity. Make sure you're selecting the correct market because some assets have similar names or tickers. When you open the asset page, you'll see the buy and sell options. To buy normally, simply click on Buy. But if you want to short sell, meaning you're betting the price will go down, you need to click on Sell. This is how you open a short position on eToro. Before confirming, the platform will automatically show you the exposure, margin requirement, leverage being used, and expected overnight fees. Now choose the amount you want to trade. You can also adjust your leverage if it's available for that asset. Setting a stop loss and take profit is very important, especially when short selling, because prices can move fast. These tools help protect your account by automatically closing the trade. When the price hits certain levels, once everything looks good, confirm the order. Your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor your real-time profit or loss. You can adjust your stop loss, modify take profit, or close the trade manually at any time. Just be aware of overnight fees, especially on leveraged or short trades, because they can add up over time, and that's it. That's how you buy, sell, and short sell on eToro using a verified and funded account. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.